strong.
Hello viewers, welcome to Skyway Learners. Here is first question of exercise number 1.3 of NCERT syllabus for class 10th. Prove that root 5 is irrational. First we have to assume that root 5 is rational, then we have to prove root 5 is irrational. First, let us assume to the contrary that root 5 is rational. We can find integers r and s but should not be equal to 0 such that root 5 is equal to r by s. Suppose this r and s have a common factor other than 1, then we can divide it by the common factor to get another fraction a by b. Suppose r and s have common factor other than 1, then we can divide r by s by a common factor to get another fraction a by b. A by b is equal to root 5 such that a and b are co-primes, that is a and b have no common factor other than 1. A equal to root 5 into b. Squaring on both sides we get a square is equal to root 5 square is 5, b will become b square. Take this equation as number 1. Here a square is a multiple of 5, that is a square is divisible by 5. Therefore we can say that a is also divisible by 5. Since a is also divisible by 5, we can write it as a is equal to 5c. Take this equation as number 2. Now we are going to substitute equation number 2 in 1. We will get 5c the whole square is equal to 5b square. That is 25c square is equal to 5b square. Implies 5c square is equal to b square. So b square is a multiple of 5. Therefore b square is divisible by 5. Therefore we can say b is also divisible by 5. A is also divisible by 5. B is also divisible by 5. From that we can say A and B have at least 5 as a common factor. A and B have at least 5 as a common factor. But this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factor other than 1. Initially we have told that, I will show you the point. Here we have mentioned that A and B are co-primes, that is they do not have common factor other than 1. But here we told that A and B have 5 as a common factor. But this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factor other than 1. This contradiction arises because of the incorrect assumption. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. What is our incorrect assumption? Root 5 is rational. It is incorrect. What is our incorrect assumption? That root 5 is rational. So we can conclude that root 5 is irrational. Thus we proved that root 5 is irrational. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please do write to us. Thank you.